Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. So first, scroll from the top to open Quick Settings and disable and enable the Bluetooth. Now open the Bluetooth settings and here click on the gear next to your Bluetooth device and click Unpair. Now just wait and click once again on your Bluetooth device and pair it. If it's still not working for you, then try to restart both phone and your Bluetooth device. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.